Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get verified on the Tantan dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tantan dating app on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already. After you have logged in, you will be shown various different profiles that you can swipe right or left on. Now from this page, if you wish to get more matches, then you will need to verify your profile. In order to do this, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner, and then from your profile page, you will find Verify Your Profile option at the top section. Tap on this, and now you will be taken through the verification process. Tap on Verify Now, and then tap on the Agree and Continue button. You will then be asked to provide camera permissions so that the Tantan application can take your photo. Go ahead and allow the permission to use your camera, and then you will be asked to take a picture with your face placed on the given circle. After you provide your face on the given circle within the time limit, you will be asked to perform a small gesture within a photo that will be taken in the next step. After performing the gesture and going through with the verification process, it will take some time until your profile verification is completed. Once your profile has been verified, you will get a notification telling you that your verification was completed. And after your verification has been completed, you will be able to see a tick mark or a verification badge alongside your username or your profile picture on the Tantan Dating App. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your profile on Tantan. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.